In this video, I'm going to show you all step by step how I was able to install this U-part wig on my natural hair. So if you're interested, definitely stay tuned. This wig unit comes from MyFirstWig, and they were nice enough to send me a mannequin stand. I got all these goodies for the seamless install. Everything that I pretty much needed was in this box. Here's a wig bag. I also received a wig cap. And here is the wig. It is a 22-inch Yaki middle part U-part wig. I had already washed and blown out my hair. This is probably my first time showing you guys my hair in a long time. I've been rocking wigs, and it's literally helped my hair flourish and grow to this big, beautiful mane. I am going to show you all my very simple and easy braiding pattern. You guys, my leave out has never been this long. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. Like, it comes down to my chin now. Like, wow. But what I'm doing here is just braiding my anchor braids, and this is where the combs are going to kind of attach to. This braid pattern is the same pattern that I use for like my quick weaves. It's very easy and simple to do. I just want to make sure that the anchor braids are as small and as flat as possible so that there's no bulking or no lifting where the wig is actually going to sit. And I'm just going to do about 4 braids in the back of my head, like so. Okay, now that I am all done, I'm just going to show you guys the 4 braids, and then I'm going to cut that excess cap from the wig. And the way that this wig is pretty much made, it's made to be securely installed. It comes with all these combs and straps. So for this install, I won't be using a cap. I'll just go ahead and use the bobby pins included to get my braids up out the way so that this wig can just sit as it needs to. I'm going to work on one side first, make sure that one side is good and ready before I start on the other side. And all I use for this install, guys, is what you see, the combs on the wig, and it is pretty secure. I'm going to go ahead and get my leave out together. I use heat to blow out my hair, so I am not going to too much press my hair. I am going to use my Kaposi flat iron, and I got it from Amazon. It's my favorite iron of all time, and I have it on 300 degrees just so that I could just have a little bit more added heat to tame my leave out. My leave out is just pretty much disrespectful. I naturally have 4C kinky coily hair, so yeah, I was kind of prepared for it to kind of revert during this install, and it did just that. But I'm using my Amber J edge control to just slick my edges down to make this install look well and nicely put together. And this is pretty much it. This yaki texture really blends in well with I would say relaxed natural hair, natural blown out and pressed hair. I would probably go back and get like a silk press before I wear this hair out. I just wanted to show you guys this install. I actually enjoyed this. I haven't had leave out in a long time, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.